Today we are making edible keto chocolate chip cookie dough. So this is a 1 bowl cookie dough. It's enough to make and share with a friend or have 2 servings. So we're going to be using lupin flour, and I can't say enough good things about Aviate lupin flour. If you use, I would not recommend any other brand, you guys, because it's going to taste awful. So I really encourage you to check the link below in the description and get your hands on this Aviate lupin flour, because that is the magic ingredient that makes this recipe taste good, and we definitely want it to taste good. So we're going to start with a 1/2 cup of lupin flour. This is the Aviate brand LUPINI flour. And then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. No, we're not baking this, but it doesn't taste the same without the baking soda. And then we're going to use 1/8 teaspoon. I love this real salt by Redmond. So 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Then we're just going to stir this together. Then I've just got a 1 cup measuring cup here with some warm water in it. And I'm going to first add in the golden monk fruit, Lakanto's golden monk fruit sugar substitute. And I really like this Lakanto's golden monk fruit sugar substitute because I feel like it gives just the perfect flavor to the cookie dough. So we're just going to mix this for about 30 seconds we really just want to dissolve the sugar substitute so that we don't have a real crunchy cookie dough when we're finished. We want a nice smooth cookie dough to enjoy. Now, links to all these ingredients you're going to find in the description of this video, and you're going to find even more information and substitution information and all kinds of Q&A on the blog post, and you'll find a link to that blog post right in the description of this video. So now we're going to make some lupin egg. So we're going to put just a couple scoops of lupin flour into this warm water. Just going to whisk it together. Notice it'll start to thicken up real nice. And we want to let this sit about 30 seconds. So we can go ahead and add our vanilla. So I have a teaspoon of vanilla extract here. And then I have 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. So make sure you check that link in the blog post in the description for all kinds of information on what things you can substitute. These are just my favorite ingredients that I'm using and telling you about. So we'll stir that up, and you can start to kind of see how it's kind of making a gel at this point. It's nice and smooth. Put this lupini egg right into the dry ingredients. And then we'll just stir this together. You can see we've got a nice cookie dough consistency. So now all we are missing is the chocolate chips. So here I have 2 tablespoons of sugar-free chocolate chips, and you do want to be really careful with the sugar-free chocolate chips you choose. I have some recommended brands in the description and on the blog post. I either use the whole food sugar-free chocolate chips made with erythritol, or we also love the Lakanto sugar-free chocolate chips made with the Lakanto monk fruit and erythritol blend. The biggest difference in taste is that the Lakanto is more of a milk chocolate chip. It's a little bit sweeter, and the Whole Foods is more of a dark chocolate chip. So there you are. It is ready to eat and enjoy. And there you go. You have your edible chocolate chip cookie dough. Easy peasy 5-minute recipe.